Can you believe this mirror came with this dresser? The dresser was a project in itself, but the mirror was even worse. I painted on it straight, thinking the paint would come just right off the mirror. It did, with a little bit of work. I used soap and water and a scraper, and it took me forever. My daughter would say this looks satisfying. Just make sure to use extra soap and water. Don't let any parts get dry, otherwise it just becomes this annoying scraping sound. Unfortunately, I wasn't done yet because I got this same stain and primer on parts of the wood I wasn't trying to paint, so I had more work to do. I needed a clean slate so that I could stain it later to match the dresser. Here I used a Safinol paint stripper. I applied a generous amount and even applied some more later. It still wasn't easy to get off. I rinsed this off with mineral spirits and then began to sand. And boy, did it look nice. My Dremel rotary tool finally came in good use. I actually don't recommend this type of tool for this kind of project, but it's all I had at the time. The reason being, this is a soft wood that can dent very easily. You have to be very careful, or even better, just sand by hand with some sandpaper. Finally, I get to stain the parts that I want with Rust-Oleum, keep the rest white, keep the mirror clean, and I am done. If this video has helped you at all, or if you think you can help me out, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.